This is the story. It's windy. What's the next part?
Billy's walking to the store.
I'm Billy, and I'm a walking to the store. Angry Chef. Yeah! Velociraptor! Next time.
He's still walking.
Still walking to the store.
Then he gets on a bike.
Like get your hair over your face. The little girl from the garage.
I hate that movie. I know, I peed my pants.
Meow. Meow.
Calls.
What do you want, mother?
That's a bad thing. Billy, I can't believe I did that. Billy, it's your mom.
What, mother?
Are you on your bicycle?
Yes, mum.
Are you wearing a helmet?
No, mum.
No! No! Are you wearing knee pads? No! Are you wearing elbow pads? No! No! Reese doesn't have a head. I know.
I'm a talking neck.
Bring! Bring! What? Hello? Hi!
Wait, Mimi, would you be friends with me if I look like this?
Oh, Cindy Lou, it's you! It's been so long,
Riding my bike. Riding my bike.
Would you be friends with me if I look like this? You know that's your Billy boy is on his bike talking on his cell phone. What? Yes. What's he talking to?
Would you be friends with me if I look like this?
I don't know! Oh my goodness! Just stop it! Let me go call him. Wait. Okay. Billy?
Yes, mum.
Are you on your bike?
Yes, mum.
Are you wearing your helmet?
Yes, mum.
Good! Are you wearing your kneecaps? Oh my goodness! Would you be friends with me if I look like this?
Ouch.
Really?
What, mum? Would you be friends with me if I look like this?
Are you okay?
I just crashed.
Are you bleeding?
Yes, mum.
Do you need me to call?
My spleen.
Oh, Billy! Let me get you into the truck! Oh, I don't know.
Oh, please, sir. Please help my spleen.
I'm helping you.
Oh. Hey guys, would you be friends with me if I look like this?
Yes. Reese? Oh my god, fuck my life. Let's Ma'am, please get away. He's hyperventilating. Clear the air!
Fudge is good.
Put your
Memory.
Ba-da-da-da.
Pastime. Scream really loud.
Yeah.
Billy, my boy, are you awake? My son!
Yes, mum.
Are you okay?
Yes, mum. Would you be friends with me if I looked like this?
Would you watch our videos if she looked like that?
Would you watch our videos if I looked like this?
Yeah, it'd be much better.
What if I looked like this?
Oh, I don't know.
What
You
if I
look
looked
like you
this?
got run over.
That's not that
This
bad.
no, this is like an old man face.
Who was the one who decided not to tell me that I had frosting on my chin?
That was me.
We decided as a group.
Would you be friends with me if I looked like this, like constantly?
Can you name this plant? How many leaves does it have? One,
A
two,
tropical,
6, 7, 8, 9.
a tropical A.
Pollen. Tropical F, really? That's the best shit you could come up with.
Yes.
Tell me if I'm in or out. Now. In or out? In or out?
Oh my god, you had a wandering eye.